Getting our demolish on. So today we're going to be demolishing this apartment so that the United Methodist Church that is located here in Tāši can create the space and renovate it to serve the community, to be an outreach and a space to host events like birthday parties or other celebration gatherings, as well as provide a space to shower and do laundry and have other needs addressed and supported. So it should be a fun day to be able to just be a part of this vision and bringing the United Methodist Church of Tāši one step closer to achieving their goal for their community. Let's get our demolition on. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. I want to help you. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. This is the true way to work. Hi. Nice scraping.
Thank you. It's probably the least favorite work I've ever done in my life.
Wow.
But I want to defeat this wallpaper.
You had so much fun in the yard and the opposite of that on the wall,
Yeah.
huh?
For the record, it's very dusty in here.
And I'm missing my Asian mask. Did you have one? Huh? An Asian mask?
I missed mine.
You had one?
I took it home. I didn't think I would need this mirror. Rookie mistake.
Hope we all had our tetanus shots.
Oh, great. Update.
Sewing lady.
It's coming to 4. We have been working. There's no longer a wall here. The floor has been cleaned and ripped up. We're still taking down wallpaper, and I have breathed in a majority of the drywall dirt dust of all of Blackfin countryside.
Me too.
black lung. Merman. The best part, standing next to the burning fire, is the fresh air.
Putting plastic in the fire.
Fresh air anymore. Okay. It didn't last long, but gotta get out of that space. What does that mean?
We're done!
Holla! Good work, team. Yay, teamies! Team Kimberlite!
Look at our creation. We left the lamp for a little light.
Oh, that is pretty.
I love lamp.
Never want to be in a dark place.
Power's out.
Let God's light shine.
All the water.
That's good. It's been fun. Thanks for watching.
Been real.
I got a lot of dust. Got the black one. Merman. My very first supervisor as an undergraduate student working an on-campus job was Rick Ponx. As a sophomore in college, I was hired to be a student ambassador in the Office of Admission, and that is where Rick was an admission counselor at the time. Working with Rick was such a blast. He has this unique blend of get work done, let's go, very driven and motivated, and also just has a lot of space to be goofy and fun and lighthearted. And I so appreciated the way that Rick served as a support and resource to me as an undergraduate student, and we were able to remain in touch beyond the time I graduated. And then we had the opportunity to work together as colleagues when I returned as a professional at North Central College. And Rick has gone on from admission now to be a full-time football coach, just making an impact on the lives of college student athletes. And Rick has a really strong family value and faith value, and Rick, to have you invest in me being a part of the World Race, it means so much to me. And I was just blown away by your phone call when you were among some of the very first people to reach out and share your enthusiasm to support me and to partner with God and what He can do across the world. And so, Rick, just please know my gratitude toward you for being a supporter of me as a World Race participant, and just a supporter to me in all of the different life seasons through which I've gone. Thank you so much, Rick.